Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. And so when you're done with this video, feel free to take a look around. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because I'd love to keep growing my subscribers and hit that 1,200 mark. And like the video if you find it helpful, and then come back and take a look around. So what are we talking about today? How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, the concept of affiliate marketing is really great because you don't need your own product. You don't have to create anything. You just are able to promote other people's products or services. And then when you make a sale, you earn a commission. Affiliate programs are all over the place. Some popular ones that people are aware of, Amazon has an affiliate program. Walmart has an affiliate program. Now, those pay much smaller commissions, down less than 5%. For a sale, and so you obviously have to make a lot more sales. And so what you'd rather do is try to find affiliate programs where they pay a much higher commission, ideally at least 25 up to 50%. And there are some that pay even more. I'm going to show you a product that pays 80% commission. So keep watching because it's a great product. I think you're going to like it, and it may be something you want to promote yourself. But what are we going to talk about in this video? First of all, what to promote. We kind of hit on that a little bit. And we are going to talk about why you may want to think about promoting recurring programs for recurring commissions and how to find those. And make sure you keep watching because I'm going to show you some income proof of how you can earn money by promoting affiliate programs. So there's lots of different affiliate platforms that are out there. I work mostly in the make money online niche, and so I promote products off of JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and I also promote a lot of recurring products because we'll show you an example real quickly why it's nice to get those recurring commissions. And most of these recurring programs that are promoted is things that people are using in their online business anyway, such as domain names, SaaS software, software as a service, or a lot of times software, online website-based software, email autoresponders, funnel builders, lots of examples of things that people just need to use in their business anyway. And so you can, search for those and find them. So how do you find recurring affiliate programs? Okay, so here we're over on a site called Article Forge, and this is an AI content creation software that I use to create text content for my online blogs and other services. And so when you're looking to promote one of these programs as an affiliate, a lot of times if you just scroll all the way to the bottom of their home page, you'll find they have an affiliate program. And so if you just click on that link, it will talk to you about what their affiliate program does, and then you can sign up to join. And so that's really how you go about finding these affiliate programs. Okay, so now let's just talk a little bit about what do you want to promote, because I do promote a lot of products that are one-time payments, and those are a nice way to earn affiliate commissions, but you always are chasing those one-time commissions, and so I really try to focus a lot on recurring commissions, recurring programs, right? So let's look at an example. Option A, these are recurring payments. Option B, these are one-time payments. Now let's say you work to get 10 buyers. If you have 10 buyers that buy a product where you earn a $10 one-time commission, then you're going to earn $100 one time. Those are all just, $10 one-time commission payments, which is not bad, okay? Obviously, you can make larger commission payments. Just for simple math, we use $10. But now let's go look at the recurring example. It doesn't take really any more work to get those same 10 buyers, whether they purchase something that has a recurring commission or a one-time commission. So you're putting in the same effort, but these 10 buyers, you're going to get a $10 per month recurring commission, which is going to come out to not a $100 one-time commission, but $100 per month recurring, okay? And so it's nice to have that $100 come in just because you found those 10 buyers. Now, here, you'd have to find another 10 buyers every single month in order to keep getting that $100 because this is one time. So hopefully you can see the advantage of the recurring commission model. So I am going to jump ahead here. We're going to talk a little bit about income proof, okay? Here we are in my Warrior Plus account, and what you can see here is I promote something called the Click Engine, and that helps you get 100% real buyer traffic. It's just $5 a month. You make a 50% commission. I've had 3 sales, but that's going to be recurring, okay? So I'm a member. I pay $5 a month, and so obviously I have 3 referrals that'll keep paying every month, and so that covers the cost of me using the Click Engine. Here I am inside my Aweber account and my affiliate account, and you can see Aweber pays 40% commissions, okay? So Click Engine was 50%, Aweber pays 40%, and if you look back, you can see the payments I've gotten every month over the past several months, and these pay for my Aweber, so I don't have to pay for it, okay? And then here we are in Article Forge again. This is inside my account, and what you'll see here, the date, the clicks to my affiliate link. They do have a 5-day free trial, so if someone signed up as an unpaid, sign up, a paid sign up, and then if it's a recurring commission. And so if we jump down, you see I get clicks every single day. Some unpaid, some are paid. Now this will take time to clear. I think it's 30 days, so that's why you don't see anything over here. But if we go down, now you see here's a recurring commission of $39. And so I get that every single month. Here's another one for $675, $675, $675. If we go down, some bigger ones, $23.94. But these are recurring, okay? These are recurring payments. $13.50 because they're in this recurring column. $675, that's one that cleared, but that should be end up being a recurring payment. Here's a recurring payment. And here's a pretty big recurring payment, $45.75. And this is just over the past not quite 60 days, so a couple $100 there. And that's the beauty of recurring commissions. So now I want to share with you a great program that I recently joined because I see the value in it, and it's called the Home Business Academy. And I see the value in it because they pay an 80% commission. Remember, we talked about some of these other recurring programs I promote, and I promote others, but these are just some examples. Click Engine pays 50% commission. Aweber pays 40% commission. Article Forge pays 25% commission. And those are all very decent commissions, but the Home Business Academy, they offer 80% commissions. And they have 3 main products. Their Funnel Builder Academy, and that's a software. It's a software as a service. It's a SaaS software that builds web pages, membership sites, thank you pages. You can link these all together into funnels. Super, super easy to use program. It's just drag and drop. We can log in, I guess, real quick and show you. But really, really easy to use. Everything, here's one example, right? We're in this one, it's just drag and drop. You just go in, you type, what you want to change. They give you you have, tons of templates in here that you can use, all these different elements. And then you just, save it, and it's super, super easy. It's a great system, and there's tons of training for the Funnel Builder as well, okay? So they're not going to leave you high and dry. They got really, really in-depth training, and then they have some live coaching that you can get with the Funnel Builder as well. And so this is a $25 a month product, and you make 80% commission, which is $20 a month. Now they also have this HBA Premium. This is all about, this is really training, but it's high-level coaching and training about traffic and conversions, how to get traffic. And this is the number one thing people struggle with online, is how to get traffic and how to make sales. That's what conversions is, right? Making a sale. It doesn't help you to get traffic if you can't convert them into a sale. And so there is a ton of great information that they have in here. They talk to you about things you need to understand before you even start getting traffic, okay? And then they have sections that look at all these different free traffic methods they talk about. And they're constantly updating. These are different paid traffic methods. How to get conversions. So once you get that traffic, how to turn that into a sale. They have all these masterminds every Monday night. They have one that lasts anywhere from an hour to 2 hours where people are sharing information. They're sharing what works, the successes they're having. They have these daily Grow Rich calls and daily action masterminds. I think there's 11 different training and coaching opportunities that you have throughout the week. And then a lot of them are archived, so you can go back and take a look at them later. Join the Facebook group. The Facebook group is very active, and it's a great community because everyone really encourages each other. They help each other. They answer questions, and it's really great to be plugged in. Okay, they do have, this is where some other high value bonus trainings. So a lot of these are things that you can go through on your own time as well, and then some done for you funnels. And so if you don't want to make funnels, they have these funnels that are done for you that you can use inside your funnel builder. Now this is $125 a month. It's not cheap, but you make 80% commissions on it as well. So for that $125, you're going to make a $100 commission from each user every month that they're with the program. Now, one of the things I like about HBA, there's a couple main things. Number one is they really have a great community, super supportive, but they also have really awesome products that they are consistently and continually adding to. So it's not like you just pay for this thing that was information from 5 years ago, 10 years ago, and it's not really relevant. It's up to date. And the guys that teach it are the guys that run Home Business Academy, as well as other people that are very successful in Home Business Academy. So that's number one. Number two, they have great programs, okay? Because sometimes what you're really selling is an opportunity, but there really isn't much else with it. Again, here you're getting a legitimate funnel builder software that is $25 a month, and so it's a great substitute for higher priced programs that you may have used in the past to do funnels. So really, really high quality funnel builder program along with some great training and live coaching, right? You get live coaching even at this level, and you get to be part of the Facebook group even at this level. And then if you decide you also want the premium plan, the traffic and conversions, then you get all this traffic and conversion trainings. You get the 11 different coaching sessions throughout the week. You get these bonuses, and it's just a tremendous amount of high-level training. And this is whether you're promoting the Home Business Academy, for the 80% commissions that they offer, or if you're running a totally different online business, this training applies no matter what, okay? So the training is great whether you're using it to promote the Home Business Academy or something completely different. The last thing I really like about this company is that, a portion of their sales goes to help providing meals, right? And this is a live tracker right now. They've been able to provide over 146,000 days of meals to kids from the people that are using the Home Business Academy. Okay, and they do that through a program called Feed My Starving Children. And so they're very focused on helping members, but also doing good for the community. Now let's go back and look at an example. Say you decide you want to join the Home Business Academy. Remember, they pay 80% commissions, and this is really kind of unheard of. Sometimes you'll see 100% commissions on products, but those are usually like really low ticket. They're $7, $10. Okay, so that's nice, but 80% commissions on a recurring program is pretty unusual, but a great benefit. So let's talk about their two main products: the HBA Funnel Builder. And then their HBA Premium, which is their training, their traffic and conversion training. So if someone decides they want to get started with HBA, they like the funnel builder, they like the training, they like some of the coaching that's provided, that will cost them $25 a month to join, and you get 80% commission, which is a $20 per month residual commission per user. Okay. Now, let's say you help 100 people get started. I know sound like a big number, but it's actually not that big. Well, that means if you have 100 people that are all paying $25 a month, that means you're going to earn $2,000 per month in residual income just from people that are using this product. Okay? Now, a certain percentage will upgrade and go for the premium membership also. Now, you do have to be a member of each of these yourself. You need to be a member of the Funnel Builder in order to earn 80% commissions, and you need to also be a member here if you want to earn these commissions, okay? So if you're only a member here, then you don't earn these commissions, unfortunately. So it's a good idea to probably join both if you're able to. And if not, just start here, get some of these commissions coming in, and then upgrade when you're able to. But let's just say out of the 100 people that start with the funnel builder, let's say 30%, 30 of those people decide to also join the HBA Premium, which is the traffic and conversion. Now, they pay $125 per month, which means you make 80% or $100 per month per user. So for those 30 people, you're going to make $3,000 per month residual in addition to what you're making up here, the $2,000. So that's $5,000. $5,000 per month by getting these people into HBA. And that's recurring, that's ongoing. And then you can, obviously continue to build. But there's no, downlines or things like that. It's not any of this crazy, network marketing type stuff. This is just you bring people in and you get paid residual incomes as long as they continue to pay and as long as you continue to be a member. So it's a great opportunity with tons of potential. I'm just getting started myself. If you have any interest at all, I'm going to click the link in the description box below the video. It'll take you to this page where you just go ahead and opt in, put your name, put your email address, click yes, give me access, and it's going to take you to their main sales page. Now here, I would definitely encourage you to go ahead and watch this entire video. Before I got started, this is what I did. I watched the entire video. I read through the entire sales page, okay? And then anytime you're ready to get started, then at the very bottom of the sales page, you want to, watch all the testimonial videos. There's lots of great information, the FAQs, read through those. And then once you get to the bottom, this is where you check out. And you just put your information in, your address, how you want to pay, your card number, etc. Now, they're going to give you this bonus, which is essentially their premium training account. Let's get back to that. So this, which is normally $125 per month, you're going to have a chance to get 2 weeks for free if you check that little box. So I would recommend check that little box. Go through this traffic and conversion training for a couple weeks. You can always cancel if you decide you don't want to continue on. But if you're able to continue on, I would, because then that allows you to make 80% commissions when other people start. Okay, and so if you check that off, you'll see the total for the day is just going to be $25, which is for the funnel builder, and you got 2 free weeks of the premium training. Okay, and so that is the Home Business Academy. I encourage you to take a look at it. It's a fantastic opportunity. They have great products, they have really good training, and they have an awesome commission structure if you decide you want to promote it as well. And that's the other beautiful thing. If you do promote it, like I say, I have my Aweber commissions that pay for my Aweber. I have my Article Forge that pays for commissions that pay for my Article Forge software, and soon I will have my own commissions paying for my use of the Home Business Academy as I continue with it. So I hope you found that helpful. Reach out if you have any questions at all, and I'll be happy to answer them as I can. Please leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and then click the link in the box below to go and get started and look at the sales page for the Home Business Academy. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it very much.